So you got the back, you've got the bottom, one side, top, and the other side. And then obviously the most important, you've got the front. I even still have the original little sticker that came with it. So got box in a box. White box and different instructions on the back, and you've got your serial number and stuff on the bottom. So that's what greets you. Now what we got? We've got controller. So this is my used controller. And years and decades to come, guys, it might change. This light beam part here, 4 main colors for different number of players: red, blue, green, and I think yellow or something there. All right, so that's your controller. Put that to one side. You got your books. Welcome to the world of PlayStation. So also it can help if anybody does have a PlayStation 4 and they want to sell it and put it back all the way in the packet. Nothing else here. In here you've got your headset, microphone, one piece in the ear. So just take it out. That's what it's like. This one's never been used because I use a different type of headphones for playing online. And it's got the 4 rings. Can you see there? So the 4 rings, any headphones with 4 rings there, you can connect to your headphone controller here and just use it. So you get your power cable, 5 amp. Always use the cable that comes with it, and this was used. HDMI cable, never used. This one's brand new because I already have plenty of HDMI cables attached to the TV. And then you got your USB charging cable. They give a good length, it's well over 1 meter, and this was used as well, so really good. So nothing else here. We've got another advert little booklet telling you some of the features and what to expect. So there. I'll do an unboxing of my other PlayStations another day. And then the main console, here we go. So we want to take it out here. There's nothing else there. These are just fitments to raise the console off the ground. So put that to one side. Then we've got one fitment here, another fitment there, and this wrap, and there's your PlayStation 4 fat version. Later on, they made all these corners angular, nice, rounded. But I actually preferred this sharp edges. 2 USB here. Your disk drive in there, sliding. Vents here with some writing somewhere. Oh yeah, on the back plate there's some HDMI and other features writing there. On the back, you've got your optical, HDMI, Ethernet, USB or some other sort of connection, and your power. Okay, so that's all there. And then the other side, some more writing, some more vents. There we are, your PlayStation logo here, PlayStation logo there. Absolutely fantastic console, so much good memories. And just to give you an idea, I played God of War to Platinum on this, Legacy, Uncharted 4 to Platinum, Lost Legacy to Platinum, Last of Us Remastered to Platinum, and Last of Us Part 2 to Platinum on this console. So those are the main games, and also one of my most favorite games, Horizon Zero Dawn, the complete edition there. One of the cool features of the PlayStation 4, they made very easy access for the hard drive to be changed, serviced, repaired or upgraded. So no screws or nothing needed to originally open the flap. You just slide here and then just pull that off, and your hard drive is here, and one screw with the PlayStation logos on there, you pull it out and then you can get to the hard drive. So that was really good design by them, but I've never had to do anything. It's absolutely fantastic. As long as you shut your PlayStation 4 down properly through the app, it's absolutely fine. PlayStation 4, the 1 terabyte fat version. Alright, hopefully you found this and enjoyed it, and if you like PlayStation or whatever console you have, let me know, and hopefully you get some enjoyment from this. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and if you made it this far to the video, I really appreciate it. Please subscribe, hit that like button. It only takes a few seconds. It's completely free and it will help the channel grow. Let me know if you want to see my PlayStation 1, PlayStation 2, PlayStation 3, or even the original week 1 PlayStation 4 unboxing. Okay? Thank you so much. Take care. Catch you soon on another video. Bye for now.